Welcome to our channel today. I'll show you how to easily activate your Discover secured card with a clear step-by-step process. Welcome to our channel. If you've recently received your Discover secured card, congratulations on taking a great step toward building your credit. Here's how you can activate your card quickly. And without any confusion, first make sure you have your card handy, along with any identification details like your social security number or other personal info required for verification to start activation. You can choose between a few easy methods. The first and most common way is to activate online visit. Discover's secure activation website, which is found on the card insert or the official Discover site. Once there, select the option to activate your secured card. Next, you will be prompted to enter key personal information such as your card number, expiration date, and security code, which are located on your card. Then you may need to verify your identity by entering your social security number or answering a few security questions. This step ensures the card is activated only for you. After submitting the information correctly, your card will be activated immediately, and you will be ready to start using it for purchases. If you prefer activating by phone, call the number provided on the sticker attached to your card. Simply call the number, follow the automated instructions, or speak with a representative. You will be asked for similar details to those in the online method. And once confirmed, your card will be active right away. Another option is to activate via the Discover mobile app. Download the app from your device's app store, then sign in or create an account if you have not already linked to your secured card. If you have the card linked, simply find the activation section and enter the necessary details as prompted. Done. The card activation process is designed to be fast and convenient, so you can begin building your credit with Discover's benefits as soon as possible. Remember always to verify all information you enter to avoid any hiccups, and keep your activation details private. For security reasons, enjoy the new freedom and financial opportunities your secured card offers. Ready to make your first purchase and watch your credit grow.